Hey, how's it going? And I just wanted to make a quick note about this tooltips and categories code that they have in the documentation. And it works if you just copy and paste this in, but you're going to notice that the tooltip isn't going to print out. What they don't show in here, unfortunately, is they don't show you that you need to create this. You need to create this. So you would just create it like this is created up here. So instead of it saying int category, it would be editable int tip, and then public localizes message, colon equals, and then whatever you want the tooltip to say. Let me just copy this and I'll show you. Maybe I'll make a big mess here. I just did a tutorial about the editable text box. So let me just do this. Control B. Gosh, why so many errors? Oh, because of this. I copied all this in. You see where we're getting this error. And so what you have to, let me just put block in here. What you have to do is there's no message. So what you have to do is up here at this level. Let's see, is that where that goes? I think this goes outside of here. This can go outside of here. So you go Control X and put it up here. Like that. So what we can do is just copy this line of code and go B, and then we'll just call this, whoops, we'll just call this editable int tip, and then just writing something like this is a tool tip. So that's what you have to do. And if you just do it like that, then it will work. So I don't know why they didn't include this line of code, because it wasn't clear what the tooltip was.